Dear ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial, I'll provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the adware type application called VantageGains. VantageGains is the adware attacking Mac computers these days. VantageGains adware is from the adload family. This adware typically is spread through being bundled with some free programs. So in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So if it was somewhere or another installed into your Mac computer, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it immediately. So open your Finder, check your applications. When you find this VantageGains, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Finally, I recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, so download the application, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.